Now, stunt journalism is a term that is often used to denigrate what people like Nellie Bly did, because she didn't just fake her way into an insane asylum. She also went around the world. She made it her mission to beat the fictitious character in Jules Verne's novel Around the World in 80 Days. She makes a deal with her newspaper, with the New York World, that I'm going to do this. I'm going to, go around the world. They say, sure, go to it, and then that becomes the story, right? She's traveling around the world. She's reporting back from where she is. She's, readers are wondering, is she going to make it? Is she going to do it? The New York World goes nuts with this. They create a board game. There are Nellie Bly dolls. She becomes a national celebrity.